Okay, so this problem says I have 7 crayons. There's 7 blue and 7 red crayons, meaning there's 7 total. Not 7 of each, 7 total. There are more blue crayons that are there than red crayons. How many of each could I have? So what you should do is you should have first made 7 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now remember, I'm supposed to have more of one color than the other. What color am I supposed to have the most of? Blue. So I need to make sure that when I start out my work, I keep it organized. That way it's super easy. I'm going to make a B for blue and make an R for red. When I do this, I need to make sure that I always have more blues than reds. So in order to keep it simple, let's do this. Let's go ahead and start off with blue. I'm going to make this one blue. Actually, you know what? I'm going to show you a different strategy because some of you guys don't have more than one color. Let's just do this. Let's just make a B for blue, B for blue, B for blue, another one, and I'm going to keep on going. And I can't put a B on that last one. Why can't I do that? Exactly. Some of them have to be red, so it's got to have at least one that's red. So right now, how many of those are blue? 6. And how many of those are red? 1. Does 6 plus 1 come out to 7?
Yes.
So that one's a good one, right? And do I still have more blues than reds?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Now watch this. Now what I can do is I can take this B away again, and I'm going to make it into an R. Now how many of them are blue?
2.
How many of these are blue? There's 5, right. And then how many of these are red? 2. Do I still have more that are blue than red?
Yes.
And does 5 plus 2 come out to 7?
Yes.
Yes, it does. So then I keep on going because I think I can still do more. So I take out that one, and then I make this one an R. So now the next step, I changed this third one into an R. So now how many of them are blue?
3.
Count carefully.
4.
4. How many of them are red?
3.
3. Now, do I still have more blues than reds?
Yes.
And how does 4 plus 3 come out to 7?
Yes.
Yes, it does. So then last, I think maybe last, we'll see. Oops. I erase that one. Make this one an R. Now how many of them are blue?
3.
3. And how many of them are red?
4.
4. Does that come out to 7?
Yes.
But there's a problem there. What's the problem there? Lily.
The reds are more than the blues, and the sentence says there should be more blues than the reds.
Absolutely. The sentence says that I have to have more blues than reds. So this is not going to be a good equation. You should have had that on your boards, which would mean that these different combinations right here are your answers. So when you go to write your sentence, the sentence should say something along the lines of, there are 3 ways to, and I'm going to run out of space here, make 7 crayons. Just like that. If you did your work like this, this would be a 4. Okay? This is what I'm looking for, and this is what everybody else in first grade is looking for. This is what you need to produce for us. Okay? So keep practicing, and if you're having a hard time, you can watch this video on Edmodo again, and it'll help guide you through the process.